Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Jay. I upload beauty and journal related content here on my channel. But I've also recently decided to incorporate something else that I'm quite passionate about, and that is gardening. I'm not really sure if I can call this gardening because I don't really have an actual garden, but I do have a very small space outside our house that I can use to just put plants and pots in. So what I'm saying is I've decided to finally add some gardening content here on my channel because I know that there are other people like me that have small spaces and small houses. Other people have the option to do indoor gardening, like have indoor plants and such. I can't do that because I have 7 cats. So I'll have to make do with what I currently have, and that is a very small space outside our house. For today's video, this is actually my first time filming anything that's plant or garden related, and for today I'm going to show you my mini plant haul that I got during the quarantine. So of course, just like everyone else, I wasn't able to go outside, but I did purchase a few plants. It's also my first time purchasing plants online, so I didn't get that much, but I'm going to show you anyways. So I found this seller online on Facebook. She's very nice, she's very accommodating, plus her plants are not overpriced, so transaction was very smooth. I'm going to link her shop down below. Transaction was pretty smooth, but the shipping was a bit rocky. It took a total of 7 hours before I received my plants, and of course they were wrapped inside a box. They were uprooted with just a tiny bit of soil and some damp paper to wrap that with. So all of them made it here, but not in a very good condition. Some of them were wilting. So I'm going to show you the smallest ones first. I actually got 4 of these plants, and sadly not all of them survived when I repotted them because, as I've mentioned, they were not in their best condition anymore when they arrived because of the shipment. I didn't even deadhead this. I didn't cut away the dead parts. I just really want to be transparent with you guys. So here is the first pot. So this is my pink caladium. Yeah, this is a pink caladium that I got. As you can see, not all of them made it. I've had these plants for around 5 days already. I've watered them 3 times. So yeah, actually I'm really happy with its state right now. I didn't think they were going to make it. I thought all of them were going to die. So I'm already happy with this. As you can see, there is hope here, you guys, because this unfurled yesterday, just yesterday, and now this one is about, can you see that? This one is about to unfurl as well. So that is exciting news. Plus, there's more new growth here. That's why I'm not going to pull this dead thing off. I'm just going to cut that leaf and then leave this behind. So that is my first pot of pink caladium. I bought 4 caladiums in total, but I only have 3 pots because for this one I used 2 plants, and then I have 2 smaller ones here. So same with this, they're now standing up. For the first 2 to 3 days here, they were really wilted and I had almost given up, but my friend and plant parent Nicole told me not to take them down. So yes, I'm just going to pull this part off. Yeah. Alright, so I just pulled this dead leaf off and it's good as new. Look at that foliage, super pretty. And then last, I have, for the pink caladiums, I also have this right here, this pot right here. As you can see, there are dead leaves, 3 of them, but that's okay because there is new growth here. So I'm going to give you guys updates on these plants on my Instagram. I'm going to link that below. Next, I have a very cute plant as well. This is a strawberry eye Syngonium. So that is what they look like. It's not that obvious, but there are hints of pink in the middle of the plants, a very light blush tone. And I was told that this is a pink Syngonium, so, or a strawberry eye Syngonium. I actually have two of these. I think the variegation on this one is much more obvious. So yeah, and see, there are pink parts in the middle of the foliage. Really cute. They're still small. There are dead parts, of course. These ones naman, these arrived in an average condition. Not that great, but they were doing a lot better compared to the pink caladiums. So yeah, I got two of those. Next, I also got two of these plants. This is my Aglaonema lipstick or red Siam. Super duper pretty. See, so super cute. I actually experimented with this one. Since I bought two, I kept one in shade and the other one I kept under direct sunlight, and that is this one. So as you can see, some of the leaves got sunburned, but that's okay. I moved them after just one day. I moved them right away, and as you can see, there is some growth happening there already. So I'm really happy. And this one is a bit more, this is shorter but a bit more lush compared to the other one, but it's equally as beautiful. And there are new leaves. There is a new leaf that is about to unfurl right here on top. Can you see that? There. Exciting. Okay, so both of those were doing okay. They were fine when I got them, so they're still fine now. Just more sunburnt leaves. But anyway, last but not the least, this is the biggest plant that I got. This one was in tip-top shape when it got here, but it did have two broken leaves. So one leaf was broken, and then for the other leaf it was a broken stem. I did not take that off yet because I have to, it's quite heavy because I used a ceramic pot for this as well. So this is the Aglaonema Silver Queen. I'm going to take this off, this one, but for this broken leaf, I don't think I'm taking this off. It's okay. So this is what the foliage looks like. Super nice. I almost forgot to tell you guys the prices. So
180? No. 150? 120? I forgot. So never mind that. I'm just going to put the scientific names and their prices somewhere here because I forgot. Sorry. Yeah, bye-bye.
And that is it for this mini plant haul. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Also, all of these plants were bought from one seller, so I'm going to link her shop down below. Don't forget to give her some love and check her shop out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.